Understanding A Twinkle in the Eye. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating expression in the English language, a twinkle in the eye. This phrase is rich in meaning and often used in both literary and everyday contexts. If you've ever wondered what it signifies or how to use it correctly, you're in the right place. Let's explore this expression together and add another gem to your English learning journey. A twinkle in the eye refers to a sparkling or light flickering in someone's eyes that reveals their happiness, amusement, or mischievousness. It's not just about the physical appearance. It's a window into someone's feelings or intentions at that moment. This expression is often used to describe a person who is joyful, playful, or scheming in a light-hearted way. The twinkle is metaphorical, capturing the essence of the emotions behind the eyes. The phrase, "a twinkle in the eye," has been used in English literature for centuries, indicating its long-standing role in depicting human emotions. It draws on the visual imagery of stars twinkling in the night sky, symbolizing something bright, lively, and captivating. This comparison to stars highlights the positive and often enchanting nature of the person or moment being described. To help you understand how to use this expression, let's look at a few examples. Even in his old age, he had a twinkle in his eye that spoke of his youthful spirit. When she mentioned the surprise party, I saw a twinkle in her eye that gave it all away. The child, with a twinkle in his eye, reached for the cookie jar, thinking no one was watching. These sentences show the versatility of the phrase, making it applicable in various contexts where joy, cunning, or affection is implied. This expression is special because it goes beyond the literal meaning to convey deep emotional insights. It's a testament to the power of the English language to capture the subtleties of human emotions and interactions through vivid imagery. Using "a twinkle in the eye" in your conversations or writing can add depth and a touch of poetry to your expression. We hope this exploration of "a twinkle in the eye" has illuminated its meaning and inspired you to incorporate it into your own English usage. This phrase is more than just words. It's a glimpse into the soul's lighter, joyful moments. Remember, language learning is not only about memorizing grammar and vocabulary but also about embracing the beauty and richness of expression. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Happy learning!